Okay, so thank you so much to our Deputy Regional Director for Operation, Superintendent Julito is sa Bandal, sir. Actually, classmate niya sa basic yan. To our Steve Mayor, Hilongos Leyte, Honorable Albert R. Villahermosa, sir. The Vice Mayor, Honorable Manuel M. Gabisan, sir. And to all members of the Sangguniang Bayan present, all department heads, municipal fire marshals of 5th District of Northern Leyte, Reverend Father Demetrio C. Gidaya, sir, Padre, and men and women of the Bureau of Fire Protection, my fellow workers in the government, a pleasant morning to each and every one. Just the other day, we are at Matalong, Leyte for the inauguration of their building and fire truck. Today, once again, we gathered here for another milestone for Hilongos, Leyte, and additional fire truck for this station, and signing at the date of donation of 1 unit fire truck. As the Bureau of Fire Protection Regionate continuously seek ways to provide efficient service to the public, thus, we continue to enhance the Bureau's capacity to monitor and respond to fire incidents and provide an avenue for rescue and emergency medical response. We are very fortunate that this province was a recipient of 3 fire trucks, and the municipality of Hilongos is one of them. These milestones is just the continuation of public service that we deliver to the people. Please allow me, in behalf of Office of the Provincial Fire Director of Northern Leyte, to express our sincere gratitude to the unceasing support of the local government unit of Hilongos Leyte, headed by their esteemed Mayor, Honorable Albert R. Villahermosa, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And the Sangguniang Bayan Council, headed by the Vice Mayor, Manuel M. Gabisan, sir. And for the donation of 1 unit fire truck. Rest assured that we, your friendly firefighters, will always be ready to respond not just to fire calls, but also to man-made and natural disasters and other emergency as pledged in our mission. Thank you, and once again, mayong buntag sa atong atanan.